Hello everyone, welcome to the channel of Developers and Coders Club. Here we will be discussing problem number B of Educational Codeforces round 155 division 2. So problem's name is chip on the board. So let's read the question first. So you are given a board of size m cross m. That means it consists of n rows and n columns and two arrays A and B of size m which consist of positive integers. And your task is to place chip on this board such that this condition is satisfied for every cell. So the condition is that there exists at least one chip in same column or in same row as the cell ij. That means if the cell is ij, then there's at least one one cell in either ith row or jth column that contains the chip. So, and the cost of putting the chip is equal to AI plus BJ. Here we are given the cost of row and cost of column. So you have to take that from there. So here's the example given. N is equal to 3, A is equal to 141, cost of rows, B is equal to 322, cost of column, and you have to put the chip, and you can put the chip like this, here, here, and here. So the cost will be 1 plus 3, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 is equal to 10. So you can see here for first row this and this. At least there's one chip is present for this one. Similarly, one is chip is present for this cell. You can see there's one in column. So this the condition satisfied for this one too. Similarly for this one, at least there's one. So now let's look at input. So first line contains number of test cases, and in every test case, first line contains single integer m, and second line consists of a1, a2 to an total n integers, that is cost of rows, and then third line consists of cost of columns, and here are a few test cases given. So you can see as shown earlier in example that for n is equal to 3, you can do it by filling this one, sorry, not this one, but it will be this one, this one, and this one. So, and the cost is 10. So, can we do it by filling something else and getting the minimum cost? So, yes, you can. You can fill this one, and this one. See, you can get 3 plus 1, 4 to 6, 1, 7 to 9, 1, 10. So the cost will be 10. So how is it better than last one? So here you can see it is easier, as you can see that this comes in a single row. So you can observe from here that if we can find the row with minimum value, that will be your answer, either row or column that has minimum cost. So which one will it be? So basically, we just have to do it by filling a single row or single column. So if we find out which row or column it will be, we can figure out the cost. So generally, it will be either row with least cost or column with least cost. Because if we take row with least cost, you have to take the sum of all columns and multiply this value of row by n and add it to that, and you will get the value. You can see here. Here the value of your column is total value is 3 to 5 to 7, and the least value of row is 1. We multiply it by 3. So 1 into 3, you can get 10. So let's see it as a code. So here is the code for this problem. So Z is your number of test cases. Then every test case, this M is your size of the box. And you can see here we are taking the input of cost of rows first, and we will add up all the sum of rows, cost of rows, and then here similarly we do same for column. Now we take the input as A and B. A is A is cost of rows, B is cost of column. So we use sort to sort out this in ascending order cost of rows, and similarly we do for cost of column. We sort it out in ascending order to get the least value of this row and column. And then we check the least sum of column by using sum of column plus multiplying the least row by n, and it will give you actually the row with least cost. And here this gives you the column with least cost. Then you have to compare the two and you will get your result. So basically in this problem you just have to find out the sum of all rows, all cost of rows, sum of all cost of column. Then you have to find out the minimum cost of column and multiply that by n, and then add it to row, repeat it for column 2, and then compare the two, and then you have to just output the least of the two, and that will be your minimum cost. And in this you can see for every test case it will be applicable. For here you can just see that if we fill this row, then all is satisfied. So this will be basically one of the solution for this problem. Thank you for watching.